Welcome to this thigh-focused series. The only thing you will need today is a chair for support, and we'll grab it a little bit later. Now, if you're ready to jump in, then go ahead and stand in the middle of your mat. Take out your feet nice and wide, your toes are turned out, and now bend your knees and bring your seat straight down towards the floor. From here, we'll place the hands behind our head, and now extend and bend your legs. Legs extend and bend. Slow up and down. We're getting right into that juicy stuff. Lift and lower. Yes, keep those shoulders stacked right over your hips so we're not sending the glutes back. We're not leaning forward with our chest. Up and down. Let's do 2 more here. Last one. Now stay low, side bend right. Side bend, back center. Side bend and back to center. The lower body is staying still. Beautiful. Think about growing tall and then reaching over. 2 more here. Last one, option to stay here or add a reach with the right arm. So reach, back to center. Side bend, reach, back center. 1 more, option to stay here or add a heel lift. Heel lifts and lowers. Up and down. Beautiful, last one. On the next one, stay low, tiny dips. Down and down. Little pulse and pulse. Stay nice and low. Let's do 8 more here. Yes, down and down. Last 4, 3, 2, 1. Right heel lowers, come back to center, legs extend and bend. Go up and down. Check in with your core. Make sure you're keeping it nice and tight. Pulling that low belly in and up. Yes, up and down. Extend and bend. Let's do 2 more and we'll take it to the other side. Last one, stay low, side bend left, back center. Left, come back to center. Yes, your legs are wide. We're not forcing anything, but we're keeping them pressed back. Beautiful, side bend, back to center. And let's do 2 more. Last one here, add that reach. Reach, back to center. Beautiful, keep going. And option to add the heel. Heel lifts and lowers. Up and down. Last one. On the next one, hold the heel lifted. Tiny little pulses down and down. Little pulse and pulse. Stay with me. Keep breathing. Let's do 8 more. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Drop the heel, come back up. Legs extend and bend. Full range. For one last time today. Go up and down. Think about zipping up those inner thighs as you lift. Yes, up and down. Let's do 3, 2. Last one. Stay low, press the thighs back and back. Tiny press and press. Whew. Definitely feeling those glutes engage here as well. Little press and press. Back and back. Let's do 8 more. 6, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find low heels here. Option to reach your arms up towards the ceiling. Drop your seat just a little bit lower. We're out in 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Lower those heels, extend your legs straight. Beautiful, beautiful job. Now let's head over to the support. And you'll want to be facing the support, so bring your feet about hip distance apart. Now roll your shoulders up to your ears and back. Open up that chest. Find a soft bend through both of your knees. We're gonna start lifting and lowering the heels. Heels go up for 2 and down for 2. Slow lift and lower. The rest of the body is staying still here. Go up and down. Yes, so you can imagine that somebody is holding the hand here at the top of your head and you're not lifting up into that hand. Slow lift and lower. Last one, full range. Take those heels down, and now keep those heels nice and lifted. Step out to your right, and then back in. Step right, back in. So all the weight is now in that left thigh. Step right, back in, out, and in. Let's do 2 more, then we drop the left heel. Last one, heel drop, slide your right leg out, tiny pulses down and down. Sliding those right toes along the floor, staying nice and low. Down and down, out and out. Let's do 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back in, heels lift, step out left and in, left and in. This time, all the weight is in that right leg. Out and in. Let's do 3 more. 2. Last one, full range. Right heel drops, left leg goes out, tiny dips. Down and down. Small pulse and pulse. Dragging those left heels along the floor. Beautiful. And let's do 4 here. 3, 2, then we step back in. Last one. Feet come in, heels lift and lower. Up and down. Let's do 4 more, then we keep the heels lifted. 3, 2. Last one, heels stay up, legs extend and bend. Go all the way up and down. Finding your height for the heels. Maybe you lift the heels as high as you can, pressing the weight down into the balls of your feet. Or maybe you're keeping the heels just an inch or so off the floor. You can also always work from flat feet. So you find what works best for you and for your body. Beautiful. Let's do 3 more. 2. Last one. Stay low, tiny pulses down and down. Little pulse and pulse. This is it. This is our final change here. So find your deepest, your lowest position. Reset your form. Open up your chest. Take a slow, deep inhale and exhale. Let's do this. We have 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. Oh, beautiful work. Let's stretch it out. So grab your right ankle with your right hand, pull that heel close into your seat. Feel the stretch in the top of your right thigh. And take a slow, deep inhale here. And exhale through your mouth. One more slow, deep breath in through your nose. And out through your mouth. And release. Other side. Pull that heel nice and close in towards the seat. Feel the stretch on top of your left thigh this time. And again, slow, deep inhale. And exhale. One more deep breath in. And out. Release. And let's take just one more stretch here. You might move the support out of the way. Take a big step over towards your right. You'll bend that right leg. Send your glutes back. And really feel the stretch in the inside of your left leg. So for that left inner thigh. Keep your back nice and flat here. Ooh, keep breathing. Press yourself up and take it to the other side. So bend your left leg. And now feel the stretch in that right inner thigh. Slow, deep inhale. And exhale. Beautiful. Extend your left leg straight. Bring your hands down towards the floor. Just allow your head to hang heavy for a moment. And then slowly walk your feet closer in together. Bend both knees. Place your hands on tops of your thighs and carefully roll yourself up, lifting one vertebrae at a time. And we are all done. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Send it to your friends and family if you can think of somebody who would benefit from this. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.